Morning guys, today I would like to show you how to set up default browser on Android 16. So at first enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select apps, go to default apps and choose browser app. And here actually we do have one browser only, however if you have more, all you have to do is to mark the particular one, just like this, and then it will be set. Let me show, for example, on some other app if we have. Okay, so that would be layout, and just like this you can switch between default apps. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.